Hello everyone, in this video I want to show how to remove a pillar trim Volkswagen Polo 5th generation. So first and remove If you enjoyed this video, click like and subscribe.